Well, a lot of folks wish to turn back the hands of time, and some resort to Botox to help smooth out some of those fine lines on your forehead and around your eyes. We've got Suddenly Slimmer, the folks there, Med Spa, here with us this morning, and we have one of their registered nurses. This is Eva, brought lovely Jessica with us to talk about this new filler that's out, and it's being compared to, basically an alternative to Botox or maybe a Dysport or something like that that's used to fill. And I was asking you just now off camera, why would somebody choose this over Botox? Because everybody knows about Botox these days.
Right. Well, this is the new Botox. People tend to, over time, build up an immunity. Some people, about 1% of the population, will build up an immunity to Botox and Dysport. Xeomin is formulated differently so that there's no covering on the botulism A, and so it doesn't attract antibodies. So you don't build up an immunity to this.
And if you were to build up an immunity, it just wouldn't work.
It wouldn't work. You put it in and nothing happened.
So you're going to demonstrate on Jessica where we would inject it if somebody came in and wanted this.
I am.
Most people's troubles areas are what? And what can the Xeomin address?
Usually people frown like you're angry. Usually people get these 11s, and the older you get, the more set those become. If you start this at her age, then those muscles are like a muscle in the gym. You don't work it real hard so it doesn't get real strong, and it prevents those wrinkles and lines.
Okay, and we put up some of the pros just so people can see on our screen the pros of, say, Xeomin compared to some of the others. And you said that a lot of people don't have any bad reactions to this. Some people do with the others?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes. Now, with any drug, there's always a percentage of the population that may have an allergic reaction, but it's very, very rare.
So if Jessica was to come in and get this done, what would you start with? Go ahead and show us how you would do this.
We do a full consultation and a full medical history. We don't want to do this on someone that's pregnant or nursing or has a neurological problem of some kind, so we do a full medical evaluation. Then we find out where her areas are that she's concerned about.
Okay.
And she said she was concerned about this area and her forehead, so if you'd like, I'll just...
Yes, absolutely. And you've had this done before, Jessica?
I have had Botox done before.
Okay.
Yes.
And it does it hurt?
It doesn't. It's just a little pinch, and it just lasts for a second.
Okay.
We like to use numbing cream because it helps with that little pinch.
Okay.
And it only takes a few seconds for it to actually take effect. So I'm going to put a little bit on her. And
this right now, normally it's around $10 a unit.
But we have a promotion going on where we're selling it for $8.45.
So that's per unit. Now, typically, how much would somebody need to cover their forehead? How many units?
Forehead would be 10 across here and 25 for this little 11s area.
Okay.
And it runs about $200 to $300.
Okay, so that's pretty average. Okay. So this is the numbing cream.
Yes.
And oh, it doesn't, you just wipe it off then, huh?
It's still on the skin, even though I wipe it off.
Already? Jessica, is it numb?
Yeah, it feels numb.
Starting to? Okay.
It's very quick acting, and it's still on her skin, even though I've wiped most of it off.
All right. Then, okay. Obviously, we won't be able to finish. Well, we'll let you finish it off camera. But
all right, make a frown for me. Frown for me like you're angry. Okay, now lean your head back a little bit. Now relax. A little crunch. When you go through the skin, there's a little crunch that unnerves a lot of people, and I like to tell them it's coming. Frown again, please. Now relax.
Right there.
Again.
Okay, we'll do a couple more. So you're just injecting it in where you see the wrinkle or the line forming?
No, I'm injecting it in the muscles that control what makes that line form.
Okay.
Okay?
And how long, once you finish it all up, how long will it take for us to see the effects of this?
With this particular medication, it's probably 2 to 3 days or to a week. They claim 7 days. After 30 days, you have the full effect of Xeomin.
And it will last how long?
Generally 2 to 3 months. Some people get more time out of it. Some get less. It depends on your metabolism and how you use your face.
Well, we'll let you finish up. We got to take a break. Thank you so much, Eva.
Thank
Suddenly
you.
Slimmer. If you'd like more information, we'll throw it up on our website. Where are you guys located again? 40th?
We're on Indian School and 32nd Street.
Indian School and 32nd Street. And again, all their information will be up on our website. Thank you, ladies.
Thank you.
All right.